Are you still mad I dusted you on your track for the entire school?
You really think you all that?
Honey, I know I'm all that. Oh, okay, well, I guess clearly his days of dusting fools are over, though. With his crippled ass.
Oh, okay. You still pissy, don't you? Well, maybe instead of worrying about Khalil, you should be worried about putting some lotion on those dusty ass boots.
You know what? I've been waiting to knock you out since the sixth grade.